Morning, Predz-UK here again today.
Yeah, New Year's Day today, and well, it's blooming freezing, isn't it?
It's freezing. Listen, it's about the 5th take we've done. It's absolutely freezing. Rivers in flood. Canals froze.
It's been snowing the last few days. Well, still snow on the ground now, but there's going to be a lot of snow melt going into them rivers. But we've gone quite local, and there's 2 rivers to fish. You got the big river, you got the Severn, but you know, I don't know. I ain't even looked to see how bad it is yet, but I'm imagining it's chocolate brown and it's racing through. Just got to look for the slacks, I suppose. But we have got a smaller river to try, and we got the canal, but the canal's probably froze over. But we might be able to find a few spots to fish. But it's going to be hard going. When I was picking him up, it was I think it was -3 degrees, so we're a bit mad like. But
that's it.
We know there's big perch here. We know there's some decent pike. So if we get anything, it's a bonus, and it'd be nice to start 2021 with a bang.
That's it. And at the end of the day, you've got as much chance as everyone. As long as your lure's in the water,
you got a chance.
You got a chance.
And that's it.
So yeah, make sure you hit on the YouTube channel, subscribe. Also, if you hit the Instagram page, Predz-UK, Pursue the Predator, you'll see us and what we've been up to. So there's some sort of fish we're catching, clothing range, and some of the tactics we've been using.
Yeah, so let's see if we can get you some nice fish to put on the bank. We'll see.
Oh my God, I absolutely kid you not. He's at it again, look. I'm telling you now, he comes out the van, he's stricing it.
I'm sick of it. So, I'll give him me rod while I find him a jig head. It's not big, but first perch of the day on the Ned rig, on my rod. Oh, lovely. As you can see, he's nailed it. Just put the work in down here. Along comes Shawnee boy, next to the glory. Lovely. As you can see, Perch Wizard does it again. Into another fish, pike, small pike. Stick to go with it. Well done, cocker. Lovely little pike. Start the morning off with perch and a pike.
Happy days.
Happy days.
Lick it off.
Yeah, let's get him back in the water and catch some more. He's in again. Can't say he ain't christened his rod in. Ah. Yeah, oh yeah. I was on the FS lures, sticks, on an head rig, and I've just swapped back onto a little jig head, FS lure tiddlers. I think they're tiddlers. I don't know what they're called. Finesse ball, that's it. In white. Straight away. Getting the first perch. There we go. Very small one, but welcome one at that. Yeah. Have another cast in. Let's see if we can find his big brother. In again. With a better stamp, that one. He's alright, isn't he? Nice one, kid.
Stop off for a mocker because it's absolutely freezing.
Seen someone jumping around there. More like a pike. Right, he's going off. There was one there, fish jumping on the surface. I'll shoot it under there, kid. Great on them little rods, eh? Oh, I should don't get tangled in that. Be alright. Yeah, he's coming back, yeah. He's probably only about £4, I would have thought. Snag. It's coming up, whatever it is. Jesus. There's a fiver show. Can't see anything. Same for that kiddo. Couldn't help himself. Gotta keep warm on the bank though, kid, ain't you? Lovely. Go. Have a nice perch. Oh. Took on the firefly. Big. Need out with the net? He's a nice one. A bit better than what we've had.
Can't beat the old spinner.
What you call it, the otter on the tail of the pike.
Yeah. Lovely, mate. I'll just get one on there, yeah.
His bite was quick to the camera.
Was he?
And as he reeled it in, the otter was still on the end.
Bloody hell.
They made a nice little
You don't get that often, do you?
well, you wouldn't come across it.
Right, on our way back now. Fished hard. It's a cold one. But fish were on the bank, that's the main thing. We didn't get anything special, but we got quite a few perch and pike. And we had a couple of pike.
Couple of pike, couple of perch. Had him on FS lures.
Yeah, that's what I think we had all the fish on there. I think you had one on the Coram Squirm.
Yeah, I had the last perch on a spinner. Old Faithful.
Yeah, so all in all, weren't too bad on a day like this and the conditions like this. We've done blooming marvellous, really. But yeah, until next time, I'll see you again.
Have a good one.